Good morning. So today going to be doing some stitch welding on the interior of my car. There's a few different methods to do, but yeah, I've done a little bit of research, and the method that I'm doing is going to work best for me. Yeah, I'll run you through what I'm going to do. Yes, so a few different methods. I've started on the other side over here already. So this is how I've chosen to do it. There's been, I guess there's a few different ways to do it, I've seen some guys do like 20 centimeter weld, then a 20 centimeter gap, 20 centimeter weld, and so forth and so on. But I've chosen to do it this way. The reason being, I think it's easier, more user-friendly. I'm not the greatest at welding, and I think it looks better, and also it doesn't pump as much heat into the metal in one go. So yeah, that's how I've chosen to do it. Yeah, so I'm pretty much just going to mark 20 centimeter intervals along the seams where I'm going to weld. The reason I'm doing that is to try to keep it all symmetrical, but also yeah, just to give me a spot where to weld and to keep it all looking visually aesthetically pleasing, I guess. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to line them up straight on the other side. Save a bit of time. Don't want to be spending all day marking out, when realistically no one's ever going to see this sort of stuff. But if you're a little bit OCD, then yeah, why not? Yeah, so I'm just going to start fucking welding, I guess. definitely a task. Yeah, pretty much just wire wheeled it and went to town on it. Just going to give it a little sand up now and some edge primer to stop it from flash rusting, and yeah, that'll do for now until we get the roll cage built, and then yeah, eventually paint the inside. So just giving it all a bit of a clean up. Yeah, pretty stoked with how it's all come up really. Like, it's far from perfect, but good little trick. Good old number 8 blower. Bit of heat does magic. So yeah, it's the next day. The interior's all wrapped up, painted. I've got it all etch primed. Definitely took some time to do, and editing this video, it's been a whole bunch of time lapses and ums and ahs really. But yeah, it's free modification, so yeah, the price is right and anyone can really do it, you know. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I've just etch primed the whole inside of the car because I was sick of looking at it in all the different colors. Yeah, so we'll do for now till I paint the interior and the engine bay, which would probably be Nardo grey or white. So jump in the comments, let me know what color you think. Yeah, so you know, these cars are just spot welded together at like 50 centimeter intervals. So you know, whatever you can do to stiffen up the chassis and make it a bit more rigid, the better really. And like I said, it's free. It only costs a can of spray paint and a bit of welding wire. I've done all the seams on the interior that I can reach. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm pretty stoked with how it's come up. Yeah, so on the next video I'll be tackling the engine bay. So yeah, follow along for that, be a bit more interesting. Gotta do some block off plates, some strut tower supports, stitch welding. I'll be removing the factory tubs by drilling out the spot welds and removing them without sort of cutting it all up. So yeah, you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.